Like many cities, parts of Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland are prone to flooding during storms. Water levels can rise rapidly and unexpectedly during a storm event. You and your family could be affected, even if you haven't seen floodwaters near your home before. It's important to be prepared. So to help you prepare, let's talk about the do's and don'ts of flooding. To prepare for a storm event, there are some things you can do. Know your risk. Check on Council's website if your home or places you regularly go are at risk from flooding. Make an emergency plan and share with your household. Don't forget to plan for your pets. Keep an eye on the weather forecast and be aware of any weather warnings for your area. Regularly check your drains and gutters are clear. This helps avoid blockages, allowing the water to drain away more easily. Before the emergency, decide where you will go if you need to evacuate. This can be a relative or friend's home or a motel you're familiar with. Plan several evacuation routes. Have a grab bag ready with essential supplies, including food and water. During a flood emergency, if there is risk to life or property, call 111. Follow the advice of emergency services. Do not enter or drive through flood water, as this is dangerous. The water may be deeper than anticipated, be contaminated, or have unknown hazards underneath. Don't allow children to play near floodwater. Take extra care after a flood, as debris and other hazards may be present. Call Auckland Council to report any flooding and contact your insurance company as soon as possible if damage has occurred. Take photos of any damage and don't dispose of damaged goods until you've been told it's okay by your insurance company. Be careful when you dispose of damaged goods, as they may be contaminated. Be prepared and know what to do before, during and after a flood. For more information, visit Auckland Council and Auckland Emergency Management's websites.